I grew up in a house in Saginaw Bay. My dad was a boy, hard-working Saginaw fisherman. Too many times he came home with too little pay. I caught a little girl in Saginaw. She was the daughter of a wealthy man, and he called me, "You son of a Saginaw fisherman, not good enough to have his daughter's hand." So I'm up here in Alaska, digging in the cold, cold ground. Like a crazy fool, I'm looking at a frozen ground so cold. I wrote my love in Saginaw, Michigan. I said, "Honey, I'm coming home, please wait for me. And you can tell your dad I'm coming home out here." I hit the biggest strike in Klondike history. Well, her dad met me in Saginaw, Michigan. He gave me a great big party with champagne, and he said, "Son, you're wise, young man, will you sell your father-in-law your Klondike claim?" So he's up there in Alaska, he's digging in the cold, cold ground. All that greedy fool, he's looking for the gold I never found. And with each new day, there's no one here that's missing him. Least of all, the newlyweds of Saginaw, Michigan.